Maverick Junction, South Dakota, is a small, unincorporated community located in Fall River County, South Dakota at the intersection of South Dakota Highway 79 and U.S. Highways 18 and 385, approximately 5 miles southeast of Hot Springs. Like many highway intersections in the Black Hills, Maverick Junction has been known by this name for many years. The origin of the name is not known, but is most likely the original name of a truck stop or other business located at this key road junction. From Maverick Junction, southeast to Oelrichs, South Dakota, then east on US 18 to Pine Ridge, South Dakota, south on US 385 to Chadron, Nebraska, north to Buffalo Gap and Rapid City, northwest to Hot Springs. Although located outside the city limits of Hot Springs, businesses and nearby rural residences have a Hot Springs mailing address. Although a road junction existed here from at least 1926, when SD 79 was first designated and intersected with SD 50, the modern road junction developed when US 18, 385 and SH 70 were realigned, probably in the early 1960s, to bypass a bridge over Fall River and the still existent historical truss bridge across the Cheyenne River on what is now County Highway 79F. This is located west of the current bridge. A variety of businesses have been built and operated at the location for many years, including the currently named Coffee Cup Fuel Stop. Another long-term business is one of the locations of Big Bats, a chain of convenience stores owned and operated by the Poirier family of Pine Ridge, South Dakota, a Franco-Oglala Lakota family. Other businesses are located around the junction, including light industrial operations such as sand and gravel pits, rental storage, and ready-mix operations. The South Dakota Department of Transportation has a maintenance shop at the junction. A motel and a restaurant were located at the junction from the 1970s to the mid-1990s, when it was partially burned and then demolished. In recent years, the construction of the Heartland Expressway has spurred new businesses to locate at the junction, including a campground and construction companies. SH 79 and US 18, 385 south of Maverick Junction are part of the Heartland Expressway connecting the eastern side of the Black Hills with Alliance and Scottsbluff, Nebraska, and the Front Range of Colorado. As of the fall of 2009, the expressway has been completed as a dual roadway 4-lane highway from Rapid City, South Dakota to Maverick Junction, and the next segment south through Oelrichs to the Nebraska state line, paid for by $19 million in federal funding, plus matching state funds, is now under construction. Maverick Junction serves as the southeastern entry into the Black Hills for travelers from the Oglala Sioux Indian Reservation and other reservations to the east, and from the Panhandle and much of the rest of Nebraska, and as one of two common routes from Colorado. The multiplexed portions of US 18, 385 have been known variously as the Grant Highway, the Black Hills Sioux Trail, and the Oye Trail. SD 79 functions as a high-speed bypass for the southern Black Hills, used in lieu of US 385 and US 16, because it is located in the racetrack that forms the outside edge of the Black Hills and therefore has much better terrain. The 4-lane portions of SD 79 are posted at 70 miles per hour, 5 miles per hour above standard South Dakota rural speed limits. US 18, 385 from Maverick Junction to Hot Springs is named the Leslie Jensen Memorial Highway in honor of South Dakota's 15th governor, and follows Fall River up the canyon of the same name to the Tourist, Veteran Services, Market, and County town, known for its 1890s architecture and a variety of minor tourist attractions. Hot Springs is also the gateway to Wind Cave National Park.